In this series, we are going to use VS Code for writing all the code that we are going to write. And to download VS Code, here is what you could do. In Google, if I type VS Code, this is what I get. And the very first link is for the Visual Studio Code. If you click on this download button, it takes you directly to the website where we can download the file that I need. So to download, you simply click on the button here, and then it'll automatically start the downloading. And once you download the file, you can install it. And once it is installed, to open the VS Code, here is what I have. This is the Visual Studio Code, and if I open this, so I already have a project open. So let me go back and open a new window. As you can see, this is how it will appear when you open the VS Code for the first time. And as you'll see, we are going to then uh, open the projects in this. And once we open a particular project, we can then create all the files required for that particular web app in that particular folder. So I hope in this video you got to know where to download VS Code from, and after you install it, how the VS Code would look like.